Today's task is to do some retic. I need to get the front verge reticulated. It's all out here. To do that, I'm going to have to run a pipe underneath the footpath here, which I'll show you how to do, and then through the garden, under the veranda, all the way across to where we have some water over here, and install another solenoid. It's only about 35 degrees or so, but there is some wind, so it's not too bad. Let's go. Okay, so just placing a hose inside like a 22mm PVC pipe and pushing it underneath the footpath. It's actually worked out quite easy. So it's over there. It's come all the way through to here. Now my only tip is to make sure that you try and get it level, because it's come out on the house side quite a bit lower than I thought it would be, just because I put it in at a slight angle on the other side.
Okay, just to reiterate, get a white poly pipe long enough to reach underneath the footpath, dig a starter hole, then push the pipe into the soil, slide the hose down the back of the pipe, and water will flush the sand out front or the back, letting you push the pipe all the way through underneath the footpath. Try and keep it level so that it comes out the right height at the other side.
Alright, just testing the new sprinklers. So here we are. I've adjusted them to throw and direction roughly. They look pretty good. Very slow sort of ratcheting sprinklers.